Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjay. In today's video, we are going to discuss about art integrated project for classes 1 to 10 with pairing streams. Now let's see in detail about this one. So CBSE has released a circular on 10th July 2025 with a subject art integrated project from classes 1 to 10 with pairing of state union territory. As you know, from 14th May 2020, CBSE has made it mandatory art integrated project work for classes 1 to 10 as subject enrichment activity. And it is mandatory to integrate minimum one project work of student from class 1 to 10 in any art form of paired, state or UT. And at the end of the session, school need to submit the detail of art integrated project at Kala Setu project. Then only they can download the admit card for board exam 25-26. Now let's see the different pairing of states. So pairing of state and union territory for CBSE art integration, integrated learning and project work. This is the pairing of states like Jammu Kashmir is paired with Gujarat. Means at least one project of all the students of class 1 to 10 of Jammu Kashmir should have any art form of Gujarat. Same vice versa. Gujarat student should have one art form of Jammu Kashmir. In that way, all these lists are given like West Bengal is paired with Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh with Kerala, Himachal Pradesh with Dadar Nagar Haveli, Uttarakhand with Puducherry, Telangana with Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Nagaland, Maharashtra, Sikkim, Goa, Meghalaya, Delhi with Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Chandigarh, Tirupura, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Haryana, Manipur, Karnataka, Ladakh, and Odisha with Punjab. So this is the pairing of different states. Now let's see a few important guidelines for art integrated project. Make sure the project you are giving to student are age appropriate, and this should enable student thinker and learner. At least one art integrated in each subject shall be taken by all student of class 9th and 10th. If student of 9th and 10th is having five subjects, they should do minimum five art integrated project, one in each subject. Whereas for student of class 1 to 8, they are encouraged to take at least one age appropriate art integrated project. Means even if they have five subjects, they have to do minimum one, and that can be interdisciplinary. Means that can include more than one subject. And for 9th and 10th, this art integrated marks will be included in subject enrichment activity, whereas for classes 1 to 8, it will be included in internal assessment. And project for student of class 1 and 2 should be short and simple to be within their grasp of young children. Then student will take up integration with any form of Indian art, whether visual or performing. In one minimum project, student of class 1 to 10, it's mandatory to integrate any art form of paired, state or UT. This emphasize on Ek Bharat Sashastra Bharat program EBSV. Now, this project work can be done in group, but make sure that group size is very small. It should be 4 to 5 students in each group. And a student must be informed about the criteria of assessment along with maximum marks before commencement of work on the project. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning.